Top 10 interesting facts about Vietnam. Number 1, Vietnam is home to the world's largest natural cave. Located in Phong Ha Ke Bang National Park, Son Dung Cave is so massive that it has its own jungle, a river, and even a localized weather system with clouds inside. Number 2. In the capital city of Hanoi, you can find incredibly narrow tube houses. Some are only 2 to 3 meters wide. This unique architecture dates back to the French colonial era, when taxes were calculated based on the width of a house's frontage. Number 3. Vietnam is the world's second largest coffee producer after Brazil. But what's truly fascinating is its rich coffee culture. It's the birthplace of unique drinks like Ca Pesua Ja, delicious iced coffee with sweetened condensed milk, and even exotic varieties like weasel coffee. Number 4. If you look at a map, you'll see that Vietnam is shaped like a slender letter S. Many Vietnamese people see this shape as a majestic dragon, symbolizing the power and beauty of their country. Number 5. Vietnam has one of the most incredible motorbike cultures on Earth. With nearly 50 million registered motorbikes, they are the backbone of traffic. She-owned bike taxis are everywhere, and it's common to see mind-boggling loads being carried, from live animals and refrigerators to entire families. To number 6. Pho is Vietnam's famous national dish. This aromatic broth-based noodle soup is typically eaten for breakfast and is flavored with fresh herbs and spices. Every region in Vietnam has its own special variation of pho. Number 7. The Vietnamese writing system is unique. Historically, a script based on Chinese characters was used. However, in the 17th century, a Romanized alphabet called Ngoc Quoc Ngu was developed by Catholic missionaries. This alphabet, with its distinctive accent marks for tones, greatly increased the country's literacy rate. Number 8. Vietnam is the world's second largest exporter of cashew nuts. The cashews from the Binh Phuoc region are especially known for their high quality. Number 9. Vietnam's mountainous forests are home to one of the world's most beautiful and colorful primates, the Duc Langur, Journey, or costumed ape. With its striking fur of gray, red, and black, it's a truly spectacular animal. Number 10. And finally, Vietnam is famous for its extensive network of war tunnels, like the Cu Chi tunnels. These underground labyrinths were used as hiding spots, living quarters, and supply routes during the war, and stand today as a testament to Vietnamese resilience.